You can do a full douching tutorial in under $20 using Temu. I'm gonna be so honest with you guys, I had never used Temu in my life until now, and you would not believe how much these douching products cost. This enema bulb that is honestly bigger than my head and is such a pretty green color that I've never seen on an enema bulb before. Guess how much this enema bulb is? $6 freaking for a giant enema bulb. It is so easy to squeeze and it has such a big opening that makes it so easy for you to like put water in here and like clean it up. Like this is so worth it for literally only $6. Like I've literally honestly never seen that in my life. Now let's move on to this water-based lube that I got. We all know that water-based lube is the superior lube when it comes to bottoming because it's good for toys. $4. $4 for an entire bottle of lube. This is literally 200 ml. Most lubricants that they sell in the stores like charge like $30 for like this much. Let's do a consistency test. This will definitely get you lolsai golsai. Last but not least, we have flushable poop wipes. You know I love my Bite It, but when I'm out in public and there's no Bite It, I can't just use regular toilet paper because I have to spit on it, I have to wet it, and it's just kind of nasty. So I always bring poop wipes with me when I go douche, and honestly just in general. These wipes are avocado themed, and I got these 5 packs for under $5. I've never seen prices like this in my life. Let's open this and see how we like it. They smell amazing, honestly. Like, it's not like super empowering. I mean, overpowering. It's giving smooth. I know it's supposed to be for your butt when you poop, but like, I wanted to feel it on my hand. My butt will definitely love this. The craziest thing about Temu is that there's not just like one category. Like, they don't just sell douching supplies, for example. They have a gajillion. You can get literally whatever you want on Temu. Like, I got this ukulele for $22. Hello? I can recreate my toxic gossip train nair apology with this ukulele for $22. Toxic gossip train, chugging down the tracks of butt hair removal. Not only does Temu offer the most affordable prices, but they have the best coupons on their site that go up to like 90% off. So like on top of their super low prices, you could literally get a coupon for like 90% off and then get your products through that. Temu also offers free shipping and free returns for up to 90 days. When it comes to Temu, you're basically shoplifting at that point. So download the Temu app by clicking the link below. You could also use my unique code that I'll paste right here and also down below in the description box. Use that in the Temu app to get 50% off. I'll see you guys at the link below and also on the Temu app.